Apple is once again preparing to revolutionize portable computing. The upcoming MacBook Pro featuring the M5 chip, expected to launch in late 2025, promises more than just upgraded specifications. It signals a new era in intelligent performance, power efficiency, and mobility. Whether you're a creative professional, software developer, or demanding user, this new MacBook could change your workflow entirely. Refine design and display at first glance. The design feels familiar, keeping Apple's classic aluminum build, clean lines, and the signature display notch. But subtle changes hint at a big leap forward. A new color option rumored to be matte black or dark titanium may finally address long-standing user requests. The stunning display remains a highlight. A liquid Retina XDR mini LED panel with a 120Hz per motion refresh rate. It delivers vivid colors, deep blacks, and sharp clarity, making it perfect for HDR workflows, high-end photo editing, and professional color grading. The powerhouse inside, the M5 chip. The device is the M5 chip, built using TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process. It's not just faster, it's also smarter. Users can expect a 25% performance increase in CPU tasks compared to previous generations. The GPU also gets a significant boost, especially in the Pro and Max variants. Apple's Neural Engine gets a major upgrade as well, delivering improved performance for tasks like AI processing, real-time video editing, and live transcription, all without relying on cloud services. It's privacy first, high-speed computing in a portable package. AI-centric workflows. This machine is built with AI-driven tasks in mind. From real-time machine learning to high-speed video rendering and 3D modeling, the M5 handles intensive workloads with ease. The Max version especially targets professionals who use tools like Final Cut Pro, Blender, Xcode, or DaVinci Resolve. Expect a noticeable leap in speed and responsiveness. Powerful yet portable. Despite all that muscle, battery life remains a strong suit. With tighter integration between macOS and the new chip, users can expect over 20 hours of use on a single charge during normal workloads. Even under heavier demands, performance holds up without constantly being tethered to a charger. Next-level connectivity. Contact is also taking a step forward. Thunderbolt 5 offers faster data transfer speeds, better support for high-resolution external displays, and improved latency with accessories. Paired with Wi-Fi 7, even crowded wireless environments won't slow you down. Reliable ports and subtle enhancements. Apple sticks to what works, keeping popular features like MagSafe charging, HDMI 2.1, SD card slot, and the headphone jack. Internally, refinements to the Magic Keyboard and trackpad offer better tactile feedback and a smoother experience overall. Professional-grade storage and memory. For serious users, configurations now support up to 128 GB of unified memory and storage options ranging from 512 GB to a max. Whether you're a developer running simulations or a digital artist managing massive assets, this MacBook is designed to keep up. Software and development tools accompany the hardware's macOS 15, designed to take full advantage of the M5 chip. Expect enhanced multitasking, smarter power management, and AI-powered coding tools within Xcode. Developers can look forward to more intuitive autocomplete, quicker prototyping, and intelligent debugging. For remote workers, audio and video enhancements will bring a professional polish to video calls. Security and environmental commitment. Apple continues to lead in device security with secure enclave hardware and on-device AI functions, like facial recognition and document scanning, keeping sensitive data safe. The company also doubles down on its environmental efforts, using more recycled materials throughout the MacBook Pro lineup. Price and final thoughts. 14-inch model is expected to start around $1,999, with the maxed out 16-inch version approaching $4,999. While it's a significant investment, the blend of performance, future-proofing, and deep software integration makes this MacBook Pro more than just another upgrade. It's a full leap forward. For users of Intel or M1 MacBooks, the change will be dramatic. For those with an M4, the decision may come down to how much you need cutting-edge AI capabilities, GPU power, and improved battery life. This isn't just a new MacBook, it's Apple's vision of the future of portable computing. So, will you be making the jump to the M5 MacBook Pro, or holding out for the next big redesign? Let us know your thoughts.